In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Gmail inbox fast by deleting emails you don't need, including large attachments, sent mail, spam, and trash. This is a simple way to free up space, reduce clutter, and make your inbox much easier to manage. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, take a moment to browse through your emails and look for messages with large attachments or anything you no longer need. These are often the biggest space hogs, so they're a great place to start. Now, begin selecting the emails you want to remove by checking the boxes next to them. You can choose a few at a time or select multiple messages if you're ready to do a bigger cleanup. After you've selected the emails you don't need, click the trash icon to delete them. Gmail will move those messages into the trash folder instead of removing them permanently right away, which gives you a short safety window in case you change your mind. Next, go to your Sent folder. This is another place where old conversations and unnecessary messages can pile up over time. Open Sent and review the emails there, especially anything outdated, duplicated, or no longer useful. Select the unnecessary emails and delete them just like you did in your inbox. After that, open your Spam folder. Spam can build up very quickly, and even though these messages are usually junk, they still take up space and add clutter. Go through the Spam folder and delete any unwanted emails you don't need to keep. Once you've cleaned out your inbox, sent mail, and spam, it's time for the final cleanup step. Go to your Trash folder. This is where deleted emails are stored before they're permanently removed. Inside Trash, you'll see all the messages you deleted during this process. If you're sure you no longer need them, click Empty Trash Now. That will permanently delete everything in the trash folder and free up space in your Gmail account. Just remember, once you empty the trash, those emails are gone for good, so make sure you've reviewed everything before confirming. And that's it. Your Gmail should now be much cleaner and easier to manage. You've deleted unwanted emails, cleared out spam, and emptied the trash to finish the job properly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one.